right, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Becca, Eduardo, good morning. Jeff, good morning. All right, let's see what's going on here. I mean, what we're seeing is the market is in sync on the short side, a bit of a reversal that happened. Harmony zone number 2 did not hold on right now. And we have target number 4 that got hit, and target number 5 is coming up. We'll see here, we're in the middle of the range on the 100. So this is an area where the market can go back and fill. We're getting a little bit of a push. That's a big push, actually. And let's talk about the opening range, because that's important. Where we at right now is the middle of the range on the opening range. Take a look. So the range is between 500 and let's call it 90. So 500, it's a 110 point range. So from 500 to 490. I mean 390. Okay. And the mids are 445 and 50. Okay, so as long as we continue to trade under the 50, these rallies are shortable. Plus we have harmony zone number 2 to contend with, which is between 57 and 67. 57 and 67. So yeah, you have a lot of resistance here. We have a lot of resistance. Okay, the market is in sync on the short side. So that was fast too. Came in, got rejected, and this is another attempt, and this is a captain's setup. That's interesting. Captain setup short that they just established here. If they close this candle lower, I'm gonna jump in short. All right, another attempt at harmony zone number 2. Just remember the 50s are critical. So every time we hit harmony zone number 1, the market seems to get faded. Okay, so that is good to see. Market is in sync. I'm gonna give it a shot. Gonna take it right here on the first trade. That is a railroad short, and took this trade for I don't know how much. It's almost 10 points, almost 10 points, and I copied it on 3 accounts. So let's go. You're getting a bigger move too coming up here, and that's gonna take us to 382. And we haven't even broken the ranges yet. We're at the bottom end of the opening range, which is that 90 level. So the market truly has to kind of break that. Now you got 2 double switch trade. That should resolve itself lower. Yeah, we're at the bottom end of that range. That 90 is an issue. Here they come again. Target is hit. Next target is 357 coming up. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis. That's a breakdown of price structure below that 90, and that is below the opening range. Let's go back and revisit that. See, that's the opening range, and the clue was the fact that we could not break the mids. We could not break them to the upside, and we made that lower high. So now you're gonna get a push into that 90, which is the bottom end, and then they swiped everything down. That's a breakdown of the opening range. Now on a retest, that doesn't break the 50 is another continuation trade short, and we're gonna have to look for that. I tried. Nope. I tried to go short right here. We're very close to glowback, so we got to be a little bit careful. I needed to get in there where I needed to get in there, which is that 45. Wow, that was quick. Market is still in sync on the short side. There is a bit of a buying interest coming in through the 30 NT Rinko, a captain setup switch trade. So just watch out here. We may end up moving a little bit higher and getting above 70 to take out some of these stops. So the market is trying to rebalance right here. Yeah. Just gonna be fairly careful here. From see crude oil inventory report at 9:30. That's about it for us when it comes to news. All right, well that's good. They're hitting glowbox. Good for them. Here we go. That's another rotation. Market is still in sync on the short side and hitting glowbacks. Good railroad short right here. Target is 307. I'm getting out of that trade. We're noticing that the rallies and the short covering rallies are fairly quick. Here they come again. Yeah, look at that. Market is short. We're in and around Globex. And it's a fast market. Speed, range, and behavior. Speed is fast. Range is expanding. Direction is short. Testing 300. Damn. They're getting me. That's a stop. That wasn't too bad of a stop. It was a 10-point stop. Yep. That's fine. So we're looking for those continuation trades, and the market is kind of rolls back over. So let's wait for, what time is it? It's 8:45. All right. Yeah, see that? I mean, so the rotations are short. So we just have to kind of catch a good one. Hey, Matthew, how are you? All right, we're getting a bit of rebound here. Okay, harmony zone number 2, fast market. If we make a high here and a lower high, that's a high. Let's see if we can get a lower high. They're still pushing. My stop is going to be tight. Wow. I wasn't trying to get out of it, but boom, 20 points right there. I'll take it. Yeah, let's see if we can do this again. So that was a harmony zone number two. I mean, the idea is to really kind of look for a continuation, but the market, we're too close to Globex for them not to go and retest. So I'd rather take a scalp here. And we could see like once, like how many times, over 5, 6 times, they go to this level and they rebalance. I know I'm looking at the 50 and it's just all over the place. It's just like a 6 pound captain setup, but it's just very noisy. Here we go. What is that? 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. 307 will get you to an 8 prawn. Here we go. They're basically just trying to build up stops between harmony zone number one and two, and that's the neutral zone right here, and that is just super choppy right now. It's gonna have to break either above 317 or under 280. We're at the bottom end of the Globex band, by the way, so that's an area of support. I'm looking for rallies to short into this market, unless we break Globex, which is 332. Market speeding up here. Yeah. All right, harmony zone number two, but that has been visited like 7 times already. So let them work it out. Make another high and a lower high, then I'll take a look. That's a high. Nope. Yeah, that's not gonna work. All right, that's good. The market now is in sync on the long side. And we're at Globex. So we need to, hey Adam, good morning, buddy. Good to see you. Hey Jose. That's a good starting point, Jose. Good job, buddy. Good job. Yeah, I mean, pace yourself. I mean, if the market is giving, keep on taking. But is it the only account you got? And if you have other accounts, start working those because you're connecting with the market. Now let's take a look. Pullbacks. We need pullbacks. Let's see how these pullbacks are working. I don't want to trade on Globex because that tends to be choppy. Our target is 357. Then the next target is going to be closer to 383. We'll go from there. Yeah, congrats, man. Just keep up the good work. All right, top of the hour. I mean, it seems like.
Time to get up and go. Give everybody.
All right, let's see what's going on here. 9 o'clock. They put a captain set up short. They're pushing away from Globex. I get it. That's good. There's a 30 NT wrinkle captain set up short as well. So there's a bit of back and fill. Most likely we're going to come into harmony zone number 1 right here and retest. Here you go. Market is out of sync right now. So you're looking for harmony zone number 2 to see if that one holds. Or the market gets back in sync above Globex. So they're putting a captain set up long here. The expectation is to see the prices go to 16. Or, yeah, well, here you go. It's fast action. Okay, harmony zone number 2 is coming up. So that's two captain setups in a row. I mean, that's a little bit powerful. Let's see if we can make a higher low here. Okay. That was a higher low, or actually the same low. So you're that's a positive thing. That's a positive thing to see. Here we go. Congrats, Jose. Good job, buddy. That's a big deal. Yeah, that's a big one. I don't know, Becca. Tell me you got in. I mean, that should have been right there, the entry for me. I kind of left it alone for a second because the time at 9 o'clock. All right, let's see. So we're hitting Globex. Let them pull back, and we will look for an entry point. Well, that's retesting harmony zone number 2. I mean, it didn't really quite hit that. It just it came in and retested. So you're in the neutral zone and you're getting a double bottom. That's a good area for an entry. What I was waiting for. I was waiting for the whole price structure to be a little um, bit lower, so this way my risk could be under the 57 with 20-point stop, and if I get in here at 90, I'm my risk would be like 30 points. I promise, Adam. New Year resolution. That's my new year resolution. Put material for you guys on that zone trading. It's a lot. It's really what you're seeing, and I talk about it all the time. But um, you have to have officially the material, and I get it. I've been saying that for some time too. So my bad, my bad. I know. We'll see. Absolutely. So market is back in sync. Let's try to find an entry. That's very long behavior right here. Target is 357. We may go all the way back up to that 400 to retest the opening range, right? tried it. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Push, 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 push. Yep, that's good. We need another push. Maybe we'll get 20 points out of this thing. I gotta take I gotta take some profit, right? Five points, I think. We took 5 points. And we took a stop of 10 points. Okay. It's a little bit noisy, but hey. I mean, it needed to kind of break that 20, bro. I mean, I got in there. I mean, that's still within my stop, 18, 8. Yeah, 28, yeah. Let's see. Let's see. I mean, they may end up pushing to harmony zone number 2, and we'll take a shot at it. Keeps pausing. I know. Keeps pausing. I mean, the market is just under pressure overall, right? I mean, now the market's out of sync, right? So we can't play that game. We just have to wait and see what they want to do. So what kind of market are we recognizing right now? A consolidated market right here. A consolidation between the bottom end of the Globex band and Globex. So that whole range between 80 to 3250 point range, you're getting a lot of choppy patterns. Let's take a look at what the market did in the same spot. It put this, coiling behavior, resolved itself lower, came back up. So you're getting the same type of pattern right here. They put a captain setup, ran it. Now they're trying to fade it. So that whole zone in and around that whole number is just problematic. You're going to get a lot of trickery going on here. I mean, if they drop to harmony zone number 2 and then give me a higher low, okay, maybe we'll play the game. I'm gonna take it easy. All right, is that a good thing or a bad thing? Okay, here you go. Understand. Yeah. All right, that's harmony zone number one test, and it bounced like a champ. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we can get a higher low. Okay, here you go. Market is still out of sync. We will get in sync if we start breaking above that 15. All right, market is in sync. Let's look for pullbacks as a buying opportunity. Harmony zone number 2 is holding up. We're gonna go to Globax. Our big target is 357. 357. And we'll reevaluate if we break anything. Well, I mean, 300 is an issue, but you still have harmony zone number 2 as support. So as long as you come up to that level and hold, we should be okay. And we're looking for the longs and see where that goes. I mean, ultimately, Globax needs to react as well. Chop, chop, chop. All right. God bless you, man. Stop calling. A captain setup long here would be interesting. It's a lot of choppiness, brother. Adjust, adjust, adjust. Scalping with minimum contracts here. The market is in sync on the long side, but you're getting a break of that channel. So that channel right here, and they're testing. Okay, that's the second retest. I mean, I don't want to stay. I don't want to stay, kind of overcommitted to any. Now the market is out of sync. Okay, so now they're retesting harmony zone number two. I mean, that's a higher low. That's higher low. I mean, I want to see 20. I want to see 20. So I mean, even if they start going above the whole number, that would be positive thing for this market. I don't have to get it right here. I'm because the weakness of the market generally, I'm gonna ask the market to do a little bit more for me when it comes to these type of signals. I want them to at least go above harmony zone number one and then pull back and show me strength. If they're not doing that, then I'm gonna be very very selective when it comes to harmony zone number two, and that's just due to the weakness, the general weakness in the market. Here they come again. I mean, higher lows, higher lows. They keep trying. I get it. That's choppy, and I'm staying away due to market environment. That's interesting. Wow, look at that. Okay. I mean, I'm saying wow. He just ran up like 20 points. It's no big deal, really, in the big scheme of things. It's the market. Here we go. Captain set up long on the 100 NT Rinko. Pullbacks are viable on a swing trade basis, and you have a big base of this captain setup. So you just gotta watch out for that. So the market has the potential of getting to 357 with this move. And we have a 200 NT wrinkle reversed and got tested multiple times. So this can go to that 60 and the 400. Pullbacks are viable on a swing trade basis. Let's go. That's deep. That's deep. That's deep. Market is out of sync right here. So that puts me on a holding pattern. And if it comes back down, this is crazy. It comes back down to harmony zone number 2, I'm not going to touch it either. Because that is just swiping a whole lot of people. That is just crazy, all right? I mean, it's stop runs, and they are significant stop runs. See, now we're at harmony zone number 2. So we go from this to that. The market is out of sync. You're retesting that captain setup. It is wild. You have a track record of jacking with this thing. No. It's all right. Sometimes you just gotta. The best trade you can make is the trade to protect your capital. Right? What was that? $90. Okay. There you go again. I mean, they're liking it. I mean, I was sure for sure thinking this thing is just gonna keep rolling over, and now they're just protecting harmony zone number two, and boom, somebody's somebody's on the lever, just turning it up, turning it down, turning it up, turning it down, taking everybody out in the process. Yeah, it's a little bit messy, but I mean, there's opportunities here if we can catch it right, right. Give it. Okay. Our target is 357. Pullbacks are buyable on a swing trade basis. Okay, here comes the sellers again. Here comes the. Okay, okay. Keep going, keep going. Uh, oh my God.
Time to get up and go. Give everybody yourself a big.
I'm gonna go break even. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, baby. I'm gonna take it out right here. I gotta take it. Two is at 5, 6, 7 points. I mean, it stopped at Globex. I was like, okay, you gotta break Globex in order for me to stick around, and it just stopped right there. I'll take the money, move on. And they sell it. I'm actually gonna like take 5 minute break just to get my mind fresh back again. Yeah, it's you could tell there's a significant weakness in this market because location plus the captain setup on the 100 and the retest typically will yield a better outcome for the longs. And the fact that they just keep struggling against glowbacks, that tells you, yeah, the picture is mixed, but there is an over above average weakness to this market. We keep trying the longs. We're making a little bit of money here and there, but look at that. I'll take 5 minute break. Come back. Well, hot damn. Oh, that's the flush. Well, Matthew caught one. Adam caught one. You could tell the weakness in this market. It's just like we should have done a whole lot better on the longs with that type of structure there. And they keep grinding it and grinding it and grinding it. Yeah. Hey, you went from negative to positive. That's a big deal, man. Let's look at the big picture here. So there's a bunch of stops right here against that captain setup. And that's the captain setup on the 200 NT wrinkle. And the market kind of responded very well to it. You're running the stops against these people. And that's going to be a lot of stops right here, especially at 70s. So 70s and 60s. Then we have that low to kind of contend with. The market is in sync on the short side. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis. Let's go. Next target is 157. man. There are strong on that sales pressure. We got target of 157, and here comes that. Captain set up long right here. I mean, they're trying. I get it. But target is hit. 132. Next target is 132. It's free falling. It is free falling, baby. Come on, Matthew, milk that one. I know you sat through some stuff trying to hold on to this thing. I know. Merry Christmas. Trigger trade, yeah. I mean, trigger trades, railroad, whatever. It's just you're short, you're good. That's a railroad. Oh, right here, yeah. Yeah, I'm not taking it here either. All right, here we go. Harmony zone number 2. Let's see if we can get some action. I mean, here we go. I mean, that's high and a lower high. It's free fall, man. They are just killing this market. I mean, is there news out there? Let me see. Nvidia dropping 2%. Google, it's across the board. Oracle drops on debt concerns. It's down 5%. A little bit of attempt at price stability here. Nothing really like, maybe they just decided to sell the market today. I mean, you never know. Too many requests. Anybody reporting any errors from Apex? I'm not reporting anything from my end. I would say turn off your connection, like disconnect your connection and reconnect. That's a good spot to be out, my friend. That's an excellent trade. Well, share with everybody what you've done. 280 points on 6 contracts. And that's not micro. That's mini. Do the math. That's 33,600. That's a good way to end the day. Yeah, that's a live account. Matthew doesn't trade funded. You had to sit through some garbage though. Yeah, you sat through a lot. Cause that thing was just bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. All right, the market is in sync. We're taking out these stops right here from that low. How low can it go? Obviously lower. Well, thank you for sharing that with us, man. Appreciate it. Let me see here. Okay, market is out of sync and retesting here. I mean, there's a back and fill going on right now. We'll see how long they last. What's happening here? What's happening, Adam? I'm looking at your text here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's hard to hear that, man. I mean, if it's a technical issue on their side, send them a message, man. They'll respond. See what's going on. Maybe they'll give you a credit for that 2 grand. All right. What we're seeing here is a market that's out of sync, and they're bouncing right back up a little bit. Okay, and that's a captain setup. Let's see. We may end up getting into. Yeah, I saw that one. I left it alone. I left it alone. I'm not gonna fade this market, man. If I'm gonna trade, I'm gonna trade in the direction of the trend on a fade. Okay. They're going to that 23 and reacting. Let's see if they. Yeah, sometimes that's the best. The best trade is no trade. I get it. Yeah, it's just like, why are you nervous? Why are you nervous? Yeah, so I mean they're responding. That's a good respond right here. We'll see if they come back and play the game again. Yeah, Captain on a 70 worth a short if it happens, absolutely. That's an 80, 86 and a half, and then you're looking for run down to the lows. I mean they're holding Harmony Zone number 2. I mean so far. I mean that's actually Okay, let me take a look right here. Let's see. Market is reacting very well to harmony zone number 2. Yeah, I never seen that one. A rate limit. Okay, let me. You know what? Hold on 1 second. I can get you a good answer. Did you run this on an auto trader? Okay, market is selling off some more here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna share this with you. Take a look at it. I'm gonna send it. Well, I mean, I could send it to the room. Maybe somebody would learn from it. But take a look. All right. So what's the market doing right now? We got to take advantage of this market right here. So we're getting another push. Target is 32. Target is hit. Next target is 700. I mean, excuse me, 25,007. See the problem with this type of market. I mean, you even the idea of trying to go long is getting smoked. I mean, there's a lot of like, traders will go in there at that 50, 70 range against that drop, and they buy it, and they will get rewarded slightly. Then the market does this. It's just an answer to your question. I looked it up. It gave me some ideas of why this is happening. I just want to kind of learn. Yeah, I mean, I didn't even know that that is even a thing. So now we do know. Okay, so how many contracts were you sending at a time? Two or four contracts multiplied by 20 accounts, or I mean, this is a 10. That's not. I mean, that doesn't seem like excessive, man. Doesn't sound like very excessive to me. Market is out of sync here. All right, so we have harmony zone number two to look after. Market is out of sync. It's a deep, deep. I mean, you would think that the market is wanting to. Here we go. I mean, you would think the market is trying to stabilize. Now we're back in sync on the short side. I mean, I'm trying to figure out is doesn't seem like it's just specific to you, right? I mean, that is just I guess a system rule that they got going on that we may not be even aware of. Okay, market in sync on the short side, and let's look for the next signal. interesting here. I know, sorry to hear that, buddy. I know you've been working very hard on it, but how is your PAs doing though? Market is out of sync. Yeah, I'm not looking at it closely. Let me see here. Uh, come on. Yeah, I see. Your evaluations are fine. Your PAs are the one got smoked. Send them a. Do you know what? I would send them an email with that screenshot. You have nothing to lose. But I mean, that did not blow up the account though. Well, drawdown auto. Oh, okay, perfect. Yeah, you still have a lot of room in that account. You could make this back even if they don't recover it for you. You could make this back, man. Because you still have some room for your drawdown. Oh, so what? No big deal. A 30% rule doesn't mean a damn thing. I mean, yeah, you get to pay out. They reject it. You do another 8 days and you make money. It just don't let that discourage you to the point where you blow the accounts just because. I mean, this is out of your control actually. So it's not like something that you did. Like you didn't make a decision, trading decision, and you lost the money. It's a technical issue. So I wouldn't let that affect me. Just keep churning, buddy. Keep working at it. I mean, we every single one of us do that too. We go through the 30% drawdown. I violate it, trade another 8 days, and make $50 5 times and get paid. The key here is to, even when things don't work out, to feel in control and not out of sorts. Technical issues, a big stop loss, or whatever it is, always composed and moving forward, creating momentum forward. Yeah, this is a bad break. I mean, it's literally a technical issue that I would be pissed too. I've had them, and it does not feel good at all, because all your hard work, in one little mistake, it looks like, oh, look what just happened here. But the accounts are not blown. You have room to work. Smile, as hard as that is. Take a breather, take a walk, come back with a fresh head, and do what you've done to get here. We're testing harmony zone number 2. Let's see here again. Let's see if we can get a rally back up and a fade. I mean, the market it's extended so much, so I need to be, fairly careful with it, but at the same time, $24.9, $6 grand. Yeah, that actually happened to me early on today. I was copying these 3 accounts, and all of a sudden I got a bit of mismatch between orders. Then I had to go and take each account and close it manually. And actually, one of them, I was short. One of them flipped long on its own. And I was like, okay, what the hell is that? And I flatted that trade. I don't know if that ever happened to anybody, but when you copy trade across accounts, these copiers are not, I mean, the best of them is not great, to be honest with you. I mean, they always have technical issues from time to time. But I mean, I wasn't trying to copy trade 10 accounts either. I was just doing 3 and that happened. Okay, so that's a double bottom. I mean double top right there against harmony zone number 2. Just that's the key why I'm saying all of this, Adam. Just don't get discouraged. Just I know it's a bad beat. If you played poker long enough, and I know you did, and you do, bad beats with aces happen. And you had aces, and it happened. It sucks. Just the key is smile, say thank you, and go back at it, and make sure you win at the end. That's the key, winning at the end. You got this. So we got a reaction to harmony zone number 2. I don't know, Becca, did you take that one? Sitting here talking. So here we go, and this is a push. You're in it, yeah. I figured that's a good one because it's just the top end. I mean, you're gonna get 60 points easy on this. 60 points easy. There you go. 90 to 30. You're gonna get. You need 30. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You blew a PA and not technically. Uh, you just intentionally did it. It happens. I mean, there are trades where it doesn't matter what you do, you're gonna lose money. It's just the math of it, the statistics of it. It's just you are. That's it. You're gonna lose money. So it's just I wouldn't call them dumb trades unless I mean you did a WTF trade. Well, do you know what? Make us feel a little better and show us what that looks like. A screenshot, just one. I want to see what that in your book qualifies as a dumb trade. When like harmony zone number two buys when the market is tanking, and you shorted into that zone. That's pretty dumb, Becca. I'm just playing with you. I've done dumber shit. I think I probably would win the prize on how many s- ways to blow up an account. Yeah. You don't get to trade for this many years and not make just about every mistake in the book. And all of it is self-inflicted, most of it at least. You get the technical issues from time to time, but the majority are self-inflicted. And the only thing you could do is smile and say, okay, what is the lesson here? What's the reminder? And just do better tomorrow. You're a human being. You're going to make mistakes, and this is not a perfect business. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the best trader of them all? Is that what the moment you had? It's like, okay, does that work? I gotta try that actually. It may work. All right. Target is hit. 982 is the next target. There's they're not saving the wicked today. They are literally just taking everybody down and just blowing them up. Can't tell you the only improvement I feel like today I'm having, or one of the improvements, is I'm seeing these moves, and then I'm saying absolutely, completely, no way in hell would I go long. That you can't. I cannot underestimate the strength of that statement that I just made for me as a trader. Because when the market, like 9 out of 10, when the market does anything even similar to this or briefly, it usually bounces back up. We're just having an outlier day where the market is just simply sell, 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 sell. So, I'm recognizing the fact that, hey, this is a trending, the market is in sync, even when it's out of sync, it gets back in sync very quickly. And do not get cute with this market and just let it go. If you want to trade, trade short. If you see longs, leave them alone. That's an improvement. Good job, Matthew. Thank you for sharing. And just remember, Thursday and Friday, we're off. The room will be closed. I know there's other. I'm out. Graduation party that I have to kind of get involved in. All right, take care. Yeah, see you next week. Man, that was big. That was a big move. All right, let's just get back in the game here. Let's get back in the game. Let's get back in the game. Market is in sync. $10.40. Okay. 20. Yeah, it's gonna. $23. Okay. 23 to 13. It's a tight range here. It is a tight range, man. It is a tight range, but the market is there's a lot of, they made a higher, lower high, and now they're just grinding lower. Grinding lower. guess they're not playing this game right here. A retest? Okay. Chop chop. I mean, I'd like to go short again up here. Another rejection. I have a feeling, Adam, by the end of the week you're gonna get your mojo back. By end of today, you're gonna get your mojo back. Let's go. High, lower, high, lower, high. If that closes, oh wow, you move fast. I tell you that much. That's a skill right there. Let's go, Adam. You got this, baby. Play the game, win the game. It's just nothing but a game. Life is a game. Oh, really? Oh, man. Isn't she the luckiest mom? That has to feel good, man, when you could provide for somebody you love that much. I'm sure she appreciates it. That's a good son right there. That's even better. Surprise, surprise. Yes. That's plenty, man. I mean, a lot of times it's just the gesture is all you need. A rejection here. I mean, they may that that's gonna be a little bit weird if they do it. a captain set up short right here with a push under 19. After a massive move like this, I wouldn't trust it. Really. I mean, I like the test of harmony zone number 2. I mean, it looks really good. Captain set up short on the 100 NT Rinko, and off you go for lower prices. Man, we're all here for each other, Adam, and it doesn't matter. I mean, it does matter. What doesn't matter is you don't feel like you bothering anybody. Trading is emotional, and it helps to have a group of people that uh, group of guys and girls. All of us are here just helping each other go through it. So we'll be all good. It's gonna be all good. All right. So what's happening here? The market continue once, and now it's bouncing right back up. I am fairly careful about trying to get short in this area because 43 is a big level. Like you really kind of have to protect that 43. And the market is putting a captain setup long on the 30 NT Rinko. I think we're going to see a push toward 30 right now. Here you go. See these bastards? I mean, I'm like you could sense the bullshit. You could sense the bullshit. Like they're gonna run it up. Well, I mean, I guess this ran it up to 30s and boom. I mean, that is the surprise. Be honest with you, is the fact that they did that and then sold it off this much. Like I'm thinking in terms of they're gonna fail this structure, but they're not failing it. Good for them. Yeah. And that was a captain set up on the 30 NT Rinko. Good for them. Okay, so now what we got going on here is the market is out of sync at these levels. And if you're looking at the 200 anti-wrinkle, you could see the wicking behavior here. So they broke the low from yesterday, and they keep wicking around that area. That means it's a fight. The buyers and the sellers are just competing for these levels. So far, the shorts are winning, but I mean, you have a big 25,000, which is a psychological number right here. For me, I'd rather be short than long, just because the trend is consistent with that idea. But here, you're only scalping, you're not swing trading at all. For me, at least. Man, Captain setup switch trade on the 100. Wow. That's interesting. What, are they going to put another captain setup here? I mean, what is this? Captain setup into a captain setup. Then, if that's the case, then they'll run it up. Okay. Sure. All right. So, how is everybody doing so far? Okay, Adam, I understand what's going on. Becca, where you at? Eduardo, how we doing? Eduardo, Marty, um, Joseph, how we doing, Joseph? I called you Jose when it's Joseph. Here we go. Good job, man. Way to come back. So, what is this? What is the market telling me right now? I mean, it's telling me that's a big fight, and now they're putting the captain setup, captain setup. Typically, this formation resolves itself higher. All right, guys. So it is 11 o'clock, and we're gonna call it a day. That's what we're gonna do. Just a reminder again, tomorrow and Friday I will be off, and I will be coming back on that Monday. So Thursday and Friday, and we will see you bright and early on Monday, everybody. I know, I know. I just have to. I have to go to a graduation party in College Station, so I gotta get moving to get there. Here we go, David. Good, congrats, man. Good job. Well, I'll miss you too. If I if I didn't have to go, trust me, I wouldn't. When am I back? I'm gonna be back on the Monday, the 22nd. So the Monday, Tuesday into Wednesday. Yeah, I have to be back in town because I have some brisket that I gotta cook up for Christmas. For Christmas night. Not really. No, I mean you'll be surprised. Actually, a lot of times you'll get the market trending, and usually they call them the Santa Claus rallies, where the market just take on a direction long and just keep going and going and going and going. So you may get some good trading days on that Monday, Tuesday. All right, guys, that's it for me. I'm gonna call it, and it was fun trading with you today, and we will see you bright and early tomorrow. I mean, excuse me, so Monday. Have a good one.